Dear student of class 12 West Bengal Board, today I am before you with a very beautiful sonnet. Very means it is an Italian sonnet of 14 lines divided as octave and sextet. The sonnet is about futility of war. The author, according to the author, Rimbaud is the poet of this sonnet. He was born on October 20, 1854 in France. He believes in non-violence. The poet believes in non-violence, and he has described a very beautiful and tragic scene in front of us through this sonnet. And the sonnet is also known as The Sleeper in the Valley. The actual name of this sonnet is Asleep in the Valley, but it is also known as The Sleeper in the Valley. Now come to the point. And if you have book class page number 63, if you have English literature book, then open page number 63, and there is the poem is the sonnet is given, and I will try to explain line by line. If you cooperate me, I assure you that you will get something from it. Okay, let us start. A small green valley where a slow stream flows. There was a small valley, and that valley was very green, and there was a small river was flowing there, and leaves long strands of silver on the bright grass. Strand means shore, means both shore of the river. Means there were green grasses on both shore of the river. Uh, a strand of silver on the bright grass, and just because of the rays of the sun, the water, the grass, everything was brightening, was shining brightly. From the mountain top stream, the sun rays, means the rays of the sun was coming to the valley, to the mountain, and that's why they fill the hollow full of light. Hollow, it refers to the valley. They refers to the rays of the sun, सूरज की किरणें. They fill the hollow full of light. Means that valley was filled with the rays of the sun. That valley became lighted. According now the next paragraph. According to poet, the valley was very green, that was very small, and there was a river flowing, and both there were green grasses on both shore of the river. The water of the river was shining. Means the valley was just fantastic. Now, a soldier, very young, lies open mouthed in such a beautiful valley. There was a soldier who was tender in age. He was very young. He was lying in that valley, and his mouth was open. A pillow means takiya, made of fern. Fern means a kind of flowerless plant, means, and its leaves are slender. Beneath his head means the head of the soldier was on the fern, as if it is a pillow. कहने का मतलब ये कि उसका माथा जो है वो फर्न एक माने पौधे के ऊपर जो है पड़ा हुआ था. ऐसा लगता था कि वह फर्न जो है तकिए का काम कर रहा है. Asleep, he was in the state of sleeping. He was sleeping without any kind of anxiety, tension, disturbance. Stretched, extended to an area, मतलब फैला हुआ, in the heavy undergrowth. And undergrowth means bushes and plants. उसका शरीर जो है झाड़ियों में, पौधों के बीच में जो है फैला हुआ था उसका शरीर. pale in his warm, green sun-soaked bed, and his body was being looked a little bit pale, a little bit yellow. Pale means yellow. Why? Because he was sleeping on the sun-soaked bed. What is the meaning of sun-soaked bed? Means on which ground he was sleeping, the soldier was sleeping, it became too hot just because of the rays of the sun. His feet among the flowers. His feet means the feet of the soldiers were among the flowers. The feet of the soldiers were touching the flowers, the bushes, the plants. He sleeps. He was sleeping without any kind of disturbance. His smile is like an infant's, and there was a beautiful smile on his face. And according to poet, the smile that was found on a soldier's face can be compared with the smile of an infant. Infant means baby, newly born baby. Because we can have a duplicate smile on our faces. We have something in our heart and a beautiful smile on our faces. And but you cannot expect such kinds of behavior from a newborn baby. His smile is without guile, is innocent, is pure now. Ah, nature is now looking the soldier in such a unbearable condition. The poet got sympathy and pity for that blind soldier. That's why he requested to the nature, ah, nature, keep him body, keep him warm. He requested to the sun, he requested to the nature to keep the body of the soldier warm. He may catch cold. Why? Why he requested so? Because in European country snowfall is normal. So just because of too much cold, his body might his body might be affected with cold. The humming insect don't disturb his rest. Even the flying insect uh, making a droning noise, disturbing noise, even they were not disturbing the rest of the blind soldier. He sleeps in sunlight. The soldier was sleeping in the sunlight, one hand on his breast, one of his hand was on his chest, at peace, and he was sleeping peacefully. There was no one to disturb him. In his side there are two red holes. But when the sonneteer named Arthur Rimbaud looked closely, he found two red holes in the body of lying soldier. That proves that the soldier was shot in any war and now he is no more. So the soldier, it is not the story of a single soldier. It is the story of each and every one, each and every human being. If you take part in any kind of war, in any kind of quarrel, you will be in loss. So start living your life peacefully. Hope means I hope that you will get something a little bit, 5%, 2%. Thank you very much.